Tesla begins layoffs at Giga Shanghai battery production line. Tesla is laying off some Giga Shanghai workers from the battery manufacturing line. Just a day after automakers in China collectively agreed to maintain a fair market order amidst a raging price war. The U.S. automaker began notifying battery assembly line employees earlier this week, as per people familiar with the matter reported. Bloomberg. Tesla did not permit the employees to speak publicly, and hence they requested anonymity. The exact reason behind the layoffs is unclear, and there's no indication of how many workers were let go. The report states Tesla offered some workers the option to transfer to different workshops such as stamping, painting, or general assembly. Tesla CEO Elon Musk was in China at the Giga Shanghai in June 2023, where he raved about positive energy and the drive to get things done. Later, he also thanked Giga Shanghai workers in a tweet for their excellent work overcoming many obstacles over many years. The facility is one of Tesla's largest factories globally, with 20,000 staff and a capacity to roll out about 1 million electric cars annually. It's the centerpiece of the company's global operations, as over half of all Teslas sold worldwide were manufactured in Giga Shanghai. Source: reposted and summarized from Suvrat Kothari at Inside EVS.